Hey guys, I'm over here eating Cheetos because we're going to be talking about pollination. And you know what? Cheetos remind me a lot of pollination, and I'm going to explain to you why. Pollination is when insects move pollen from flower to flower. Pollination can also be done by other animals, by the wind, by people. And we're going to talk about what pollination is. So what is pollen? If pollination is when pollen moves from one flower to another flower, what is that pollen? Pollen is the yellow dust formed by flowers. So on the top of a flower, you're going to have this yellow dust. If you can see it in this picture of a sunflower, you can kind of see the yellow dust on top of it. When it is spread by insects, animals, or the wind, it allows the seeds and fruit to start growing. So I have a bag of Cheetos here. And if I eat the Cheetos, what's going to be on my fingers? Cheeto dust. So if I touch the Cheetos, I get this dust on my fingers. When bees land on a flower, they get pollen all over them. Do you see this bee? He's super messy. He's got pollen all over him. Now, if I were to go up to my mom's nice white tablecloth and wipe my fingers on it, what's going to happen? It's going to get Cheeto dust all over it. Just like if a bee goes to one flower and he's sucking up the nectar in that flower, he's going to get that pollen dust all over him. He's getting super messy. And then he is going to go to another flower. And when he goes to that other flower, the pollen that's on him is going to get on that flower. And so it's spreading from one to the other, just like my Cheeto-y fingers went from the Cheeto bag to my mom's nice white tablecloth and got dust all over it. So if I have two flowers here, this flower has lots of pollen on it. I'll wipe my Cheeto-y fingers on it. Oh, that's gross. You see my Cheeto-y fingers all over it? Now, if this flower, if I were to have a bee going buzz, 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 and lands on my Cheeto-y messy flower, then he's going to go land over here. And then this flower is going to have some Cheeto-y messy on it. Do you see that? How gross that is? Disgusting. But pollination and pollen actually helps the flower because it allows those seeds and those fruit pieces of fruit to start growing, which is going to make more plants because those seeds are what are planted to make more plants, and they need that pollination because without the pollen, without that pollination from animals or wind moving the pollen from one plant to another, more plants aren't going to grow. All right, I hope this helped. If you guys want to practice and get some Cheetos and practice learning about pollination, we'll have fun together with that. All right, bye guys. See you next video.